Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to wherever you are. Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel. As usual, this channel we motivate each other. We talk about poultry and daily lifestyle. So in today's video, we are talking about how to start poultry farming, and this is how I'm planning to start poultry farming in 2026. When you to begin poultry, the first thing you have to do is to look for knowledge. Yes, after getting knowledge, knowing how you are going to keep these birds, how you are going to brood them, feed them. The next thing you have to do is to put a structure, a chicken coop or a chicken house. That's what we've done, and that's what we are focusing on today. In this video, we've started with a chicken house where our birds are going to be. We've already ordered for them. We're just waiting for them. And the first step is done of putting the structure. This is our structure. It has good ventilation. You know, when you're putting a structure for the birds, you have to put ventilation whereby those birds will get at least fresh air from outside. You don't need to cover the whole house. So this is what we put. The lights are there. There is some parts where we plastered, because when you don't plaster, the birds can easily eat the cement, thinking that it is their feeds. So you need to plaster it. It is very important, because that cement can make the birds to fall sick. So to avoid all that, you have to plaster it. Our chicken house has 2 floors. We have the downer part and the upper part. So we are just waiting for the birds to come. The next part we are supposed to do is to spray the house before we put in our birds. So in the next video we